Hello and welcome back to the Line 6 channel. For those of you that are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom of 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. And New Year, people make New Year's resolutions. I don't really like making those because I feel like if you fail, you're just letting yourself get upset over something that, you could have changed in July. Why wait till January 1st? Either way. I'm thinking about committing more to doing videos on YouTube, posting more regularly. I'm hoping to stick to a schedule. I'm thinking it'll be Wednesday and Saturday. And of course, these will be videos about things that I do as a stay-at-home mom, whether it's cooking or baking or cleaning or organizing or mom hacks, which I'd love to know if you guys have any hacks, whether it's to save time, whether it's to save money, whether it's to help you in your daily life. I will try them all if you have any or suggest any to me. I'll let you know if they work or they don't work. Budget-friendly ideas for a grocery list, how to organize, keep yourself not going insane, because let's face it, some weeks I don't know where I am or what I'm doing. No, I am a stay-at-home mom. Some weeks where I'm not even sure the day of the week it is, that kind of vibe. I have some bananas sitting on the counter that need to be used up, and what are some quick, easy ways to use them. I have something in the freezer that I need to use up, so what did I make for supper that week? If I have a birthday coming up, what theme did we go with? Because my kids do get to choose their birthday theme. What decorations I chose, what kind of cake. I do make my kids' birthday cakes. I just always have. So whether it's, I could do videos on making their cakes, just videos like that, just typical stay-at-home mom things. Some weeks they'll be crazy on decorating from Christmas and the holidays and just getting your life back on track, to just boring weeks in the middle of April where we have nothing to do type of thing, I right now have a 2-year-old at home with me. The other 3 are at school. So you will constantly hear either Miss Rachel or Cocomelon in the background, but that's the 2025 vibe that we got going on. Who apparently wants me to build some Legos right now. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, you want it to be back on there? All right, there we go. Yeah, so I, once again, like to commit to doing more videos, and I figure if I post something out there, then I'll have more of determination to do it. Yes, okay, thank you. In the past, I've posted videos, whether you saw part 1 and then I said part 2 was coming and it never came, or I said this is part, like, baking hack 8 out of 10 and I only got to 8. I never finished 9, 10, 11, 12, type of thing. So I'm hoping to commit more this year in 2025. I'm not a professional. I'm not a specialist in any way. I am just a stay-at-home mom to 4. This is clearly my opinion, only what works for me. Only what works for me and what works for my family in this house. So follow along. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can also follow us along on our Facebook page, The Line 6. Thanks for watching.